Hello and welcome to this video. This is another episode of The Road to Funded. And in this episode, I just wanted to review a trade that I took today, what I was thinking coming into the day, and where I maybe went wrong, or was this a good trade that I'm okay with? But yeah, let's just go over it. So to start off the day, what was I looking at? Let me go one more forward. Okay, whatever. So coming into the day, or let's just do this. Here, one more. All right, coming into the day, we had this SMT in this bullish imbalance. We had a bullish 1 hour for value gap, and we had put in a bullish SMT at these lows. So I was looking at the previous session's high and then previous day high. I wanted to see price expand from here and sweep out all this liquidity. We didn't yet have a 15-minute change in the state. Didn't yet have that, and even for the 5-minute, the change in the state was all the way up here. So I wanted to be a little more patient starting the day off and looking for displacement. But overall, my bias was bullish. So, okay, so we already have the change in the state. I've already played forward enough. But we have the 15-minute change in the state here. ES gets a 15-minute change in the state. We also have equal highs right here. That's a very clear draw on liquidity for me. But we had news at 10 that was dropping. So I think my issue was that I was a little too patient because this is a clear entry right here. We had a 5-minute order block form. 5-minute order block. We tapped back into this 5-minute fair value gap, inverse fair value gap right here. And this is like a little breaker formation as well. So this is a clear area that we would push off of with a clear draw on liquidity. So I think we also had SMT at this time as well. NQ takes, let's see, where's this low? This low is 922. NQ takes that low, while ES doesn't. So this is SMT. SMT here, and we also have a turtle soup here. So my entry should have been this on this sweep, stop loss at this low, if I can get it, targeting the equal highs. This should have been my trade, and then I should have been break even with 10 a.m. news coming out, just in case 10 a.m. pushes us all the way down. But this would have played out very nicely. Boom. I was looking for an entry here, but we didn't. It just wasn't clean enough. Yes, NQ swept this low, and we had like a little SMT here, but it just wasn't clean enough to me. I mean, it was clean, but my entry would have had to been after this change in the state. So my risk to reward would be just chopped. It would have been like a 1-to-1 trade, which I have no interest in taking that. So I missed out on the entry. The entry should have been down here. I missed out on it. Maybe on this candle. Take entry on this candle. Stop loss at the SMT low. Target that high. Those equal highs. I missed it on that. But looking at the 15-minute, this still looked pretty good to me. We had bullish SMT. We had a change in the state that we now tapped in and we're kind of pushing off of. Yes, we swept out these equal highs, but there's higher to go. Previous day high and previous session high. I think this one's Asia high. Yeah, Asia high right there. It still looks pretty bullish to me. And we had a 30-minute for value gap as well. 30-minute for value gap that just formed. So from here, we then come down on NQ NQ brings us all the way down. We put in a bullish SMT here. Bullish SMT. ES does not take this low. ES is here. We do not take this low. And I see this as turtle soup. This is manipulation. Manipulation. And we get a 1 minute change in the state of delivery. Right here. So my entry was here. I got entered on this candle. Stop loss was at the turtle soup low. I was looking to target previous day high and the Asia high. This still looks pretty good to me. I'm not going to lie. I'm 100% okay taking a trade. We had clear SMT, clear draws on liquidity. We had displacement. Yes, we had bearish SMT, but the model should still play out. And higher time frame. We still haven't taken all-time highs on ES. Yes, there's SMT, but that really does not matter as much. We have higher to go. This all makes sense to me. I'm okay with this trade. I'm 100% okay, but price comes down again, stops me out, and then we just continue lower. Looks like we might go higher from here. We did just get this pretty bullish move, but we'll have to see. But yeah, that's pretty much all for this this trade. I thought overall it was a pretty good trade. Probably should have taken the earlier trade. Sorry, the sun is in my fucking face. Probably should have taken the earlier trade on that SMT. I mean, on that 1 minute manipulation to target the equal highs on ES. But I wanted to be more patient, waiting for 10 a.m. to drop. And I'm still not mad. I can't be mad at the trade that I took. I think it is a good trade. Price just had a different idea of what it wanted to do. And I can't really be too mad at that. I know that losses are part of the game. Every trade I take is not going to be a winner. But as long as I keep my losses limited and my wins are bigger than my losses, then I will be profitable. But losses do occur. So that's all for this video. Just wanted to journal it and talk it out loud to myself. And yeah, if you watch this, I appreciate it. Subscribe, and yeah, peace out.